Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching the first part. Welcome to the second part of the Great Smoky Mountains. And we left Raleigh at somewhere around 7:30ish, and we are right now in Asheville. We are starting the Blue Ridge Parkway from here. We just visited the visitor center and got some information. So this is somewhere that we are gonna start. We are here right now. We are gonna follow this path. I'll show you all these spots, and then this whole part takes nearly 2.5 hours without stopping, but there are few points wherein we can just hike for some time, or there is kind of D route, and then we'll reach here Cherokee by in without stop. It takes 2.5 hours, but with stop I don't know, hopefully in
early evening maybe.
early evening. So stay tuned, I'll take you through everything and see you. So this is one of the oldest visitor center here, and look at the artwork. Look at the artwork. This is so good, so amazing. Hey, oh, we look better. Hi guys, so we have finally reached our, not finally, we have reached our first spot, and it's called the French Broad Overlook, and the elevation is 200 feet. There are so many bikers. There are so many cyclists. There are so many cyclists which are cycling on the whole parkway, and it is challenging, but it is so scenic, so nice, so wow, it's amazing. The second overlook point that we have on our way, and it is called the Walnut Cove, and the elevation here is, I don't know, there are two elevations, like two figures written here. One is the 2200 and one is the 2920. Look at this. This is so amazing. Like, there are so small houses, there are open patch lands, and it is just amazing. The longest tunnels that we have in here. It's some 1400 and it is so dark. Look at this. This is called Buck Spring Gap. I think it is called Blue Ridge Parkway because all the mountains from here look blue, and the farther they get, the darker the shade of, the lighter the blue shade comes. And wow, look at this. There are so many tunnels that we are crossing through. There are, like, I just read, there are like 26 tunnels on the way, and one is, the longest one is like 1400 meters or 1400 feet, I don't know, probably meters because feet is like very small, but it is a great experience. Look at this. we have stopped for a food break. We are hungry. We just had breakfast at 7:38 and now we are hungry. But look at this. This is the view that we have for our lunch today. That is just amazing. So this is Mount Pisgah. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is Mount Pisgah. It is at an elevation of some 5,000 feet. It is the only spot where, so between Asheville and Cherokee, this is the only spot where you will find a restaurant. So whenever you come, please plan your visit and I would say have the food here. Otherwise there are no spots, or you have to carry your own food, and there are various spots where you can stop and have your food. So enjoy the view. So we have completed our dinner and it was so full. I'm already sleepy, but we need to cover 2/3 of the way left, I guess.
As you say, sir.
Yes, 2/3 left, and we'll see you on the next one. So whenever you travel, you have such overlooking areas everywhere where you just have like look through the mountains.
Hey guys, welcome to Graveyard Fields. It's elevation at 5,120 feet. This place is called a Graveyard Fields because the tree trunks that went thrown here, it looked like a graveyard long ago. But in 1925 there was a fire and it destroyed the complete area, and then new trees grew up. So the Graveyard Fields now look like a nice dense forest, which you can see like the season of fall is beginning. So you see a mix of colors like red trees and green trees. Some trees are already dried up, but it's really beautiful to look at. You don't expect to see so many trees, and like there are different kinds of trees. There's spruce and there's other trees that I cannot name, but yeah, it looks nice to look at, like different variations at once.
Hi guys, so this is the highest, okay, I'll show you. Hi guys, so this is the highest elevation point on the Blue Ridge Parkway between Asheville and Cherokee. It is 6,053 feet, and I guess it says that highest elevation Blue Ridge Parkway Motor Road. So it's like the from when it starts from Virginia. It is the highest one from Virginia to Cherokee. Okay, So that was a journey through the Blue Ridge Parkway. Great experience, such great views. We could see the fall colors. We could see great amount of greenery. We could see mountains, blue mountains. The farther we see, the lighter the shade of the blue goes. It was great. A quick suggestion: near Mount Pisgah, you can actually rent lodges and stay there with a view of the mountains. Please plan your visit, go experience. So that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this vlog, please do hit like, share this video as much as possible. Please hit the subscribe button and please leave your comments like how did you like the video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next vlog, which is coming in 2 days. And it's a fun vlog. We are going for a trek. It was a long and a brutal trek, but you'll enjoy it. Till then, see you. Bye.